What is up, everyone? So today we are going to a meet. Cinco, you're staying home. The wifey's coming because she is going to show off her new Nismo, well, technically new used Nismo kit. Cinco's fine. From the last video, you guys saw that it was basically put together, no front grille. We got the front grille in now. Let's see. We put a muffler on it just to make it fill up the gap that it had in the rear, because I don't know if you guys saw it, but it did have somewhat of a gap there. It sounds pretty good, I would say. It's not too droney, but it does look nice. So I'll show you guys how she looks. And she's about 85% done. This is the big old muffler we put. It's a 4-inch tip exhaust that goes in. But other than that, it looks nice. My car's on because I like to warm it up. And I have a mess. Ready? You ready to go? Okay, come on. But yeah, so we're gonna showcase the car to everyone who usually goes there. Not a lot of people know about it because we kept it a secret. Actually, I haven't even posted the first video just to let you guys know about this car. Again, what's left to this car so far from what everything has been done and what you guys have seen. So the roof wrap is going to be satin black. The door handles, that will be satin black. What else? Oh yeah, and then suspension. I think lastly all we need to do is suspension, because that's pretty much it. The car itself is mainly going to be for show, not really anything else than that. And we're gonna go now. Her car is so quiet. Let's see if we can hear it, because I have my windows down. I've been wanting to see if I can hear her car or not, but I can't. It's really hard to hear it. Let's hear her, see if she can take off with it. It's so quiet. Jesus. Her car is so quiet. I thought it was gonna be louder than that. Again, it's only a muffler tip, but usually a lot of cars are pretty loud without the muffler. One thing I didn't want to do is make it really, really raspy, where it just sounds kind of disgusting, where, you know, like usually if you go, it sounds like, it just doesn't sound good, right? Because it's too raspy. It's a nice deep tone from the 4-inch muffler, because it was basically from a 3-inch to a 4-inch muffler tip that we bought. I don't even know what the name is, but it's like the Canons, you know, like you've seen in the past. So we got one of those on there. It still has a resonator on it, if I'm not mistaken, and it also has its cap, because we didn't want to do any of that. It doesn't have headers or anything like that that we would want to mount to it. So at this point, I think the car itself should be fine as it is.
My whole hand is sticky.
I know, right? So we made it to the Lakeside meet. You guys remember, that's Isaac, Andrew, whose chase is over there. Let's see this. And then this car. I don't think the camera picks it up as much, but it should show the kind of bluish tint there. You guys can probably see it right there. You can see it. Of course, the top is not wrapped, but yeah, it's okay.
I did. I wrote my finger thingies on the
finger thingies.
Okay, the next time we
on
take
the
off.
residue.
Next time we take off the back bumper, you sign it.
Ooh. That does not sound good.
Yeah, look where it's going.
Oh, this little piece. Oh,
yeah,
no.
the decorative piece.
You're lucky because you parked in shade.
We didn't really plan on
This is Isaac's 350Z, which he wants to do with Nismo on it too.
It's boosted.
Huh?
It's boosted.
No, it's not.
Oh, the intercool?
Hey, where's your steering wheel at? It's not here.
I drove a, I think it was a 5 something I, but it had an N55 in it.
535i?
Yeah, there you go.
Let's go, let's walk. It's actually pretty hot today, and I might have to cut off some of this because there's music that you can't really listen to because if not we get copyrighted, but
I said, I was like, she didn't take a picture, right? I just wanted some mangas. And he fucking started dying. And I'm like, well, shit, I forgot you understand it.
he understands a little bit.
He understands enough.
Right, Andrew?
What's up?
You only know very little Spanish?
Very, very
He
little.
knows enough.
Yeah, I know enough.
Do you guys have cash? There's water there.
I think he's charging a lot for like $3. Yeah, I think so.
It's always like the first course. The gas course we had is always the first.
La salchicha de él, the dog was an accident.
No, this is the quote
mom
I was
and-
talking about. That I was thinking of getting for my.
The mom and the
legit-
dad were at daycare and they accidentally
Like, where's the
got hooked. And then they ended up having 11 babies. And they were all healthy. His sisters and
just like Cinco? I wanted to show you the cool thing. Sorry, you guys. I want to show her something real quick. No, it's someone fake. This is the aquarium right there. We just gotta go down more. Hey, but now. Look at the fishes in there.
oh, what the fuck? They're huge. Hello, friends.
Oh no, there's a shark inside here.
I eat you. I eat you.
Huh?
You said there's a shark in there?
No, I'm kidding.
I was like, I want to see it. Wait, is that a catfish over there?
Yo.
Dude, that's a huge catfish.
There's another one down there.
That one's huge.
I don't know if y'all see it, but there's a long ass fish over there on the rock.
Oh, I see it.
Razor short teeth.
Hey, do you guys think it's okay to fish in here?
Look at this one. Look at that one.
Oh my god.
Ew, and it's coming straight at you. Ew.
What's up? It's so big and fat. Oh my god. So out of this whole meet, I finally found the car I wanted to come and see. Well, I didn't know I was gonna see it here because I followed this guy on Instagram because I saw him on, I believe, Reddit once. And I was like, yo, I think I know this car. I saw it and I said, I gotta go talk to this guy. He's not here right now, but he has, I think this is either a 280 or 260Z that he has. Or it might be wrong, it might be a 240. All I know is that he recently did a 5-speed swap to it. It just looks so nice from the inside. You see the interior? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's the same one as well.
yours.
But you see the inside?
Mine's nice.
I know. I
The
wanted
seats
to.
are nice too.
Is it wrapped?
No, it's all aluminum inside.
No, the outside.
It's like nice.
I think it
oh, the
is.
outside? I don't know actually.
I think
It just looks so clean.
Because I saw like the bubbles.
Who needs those?
Maybe.
I don't know. It looks really good though.
It is wrapped.
Oh, it is wrapped. Yeah,
it
it's
is.
the you can see in the rear bumper.
Yeah.
Interesting. I like the color choice. It's just so simple. Oh shit. I want it so bad. I like the. Do you like the headlights? So I've been contemplating about buying those ones for mine, and seeing if I should do it or
It looks
not.
like a face.
So I was thinking about getting these. I might get them then. I just
Those
don't-
espejo?
Yeah, those are the side mirrors that it has. So in Japan, that's the original style.
Is that how yours look like?
No, mine's are on the door.
That's hella funny.
So some people put those ones on, and I've been debating because I don't know how it would feel like. but I really want to get mine and do this. Let's go pick mine up right now.
I'm not going with you.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it. And let's go drive it all the way back to Texas. So apparently, the person who usually runs this show always has permission to talk to everybody. But apparently today, everyone got kicked out. So they're saying is they want everyone to leave. They want everyone to like basically be quiet about things. I'm gonna put you guys down before a cop sees this because, but yeah, he was kicked out. He said we gotta shut it down, and if he's still here by a specific time, then he'd be pressed with like criminal trespassing and I don't know what else. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, leave, call it a night, and a lot of people did, or not a lot of people, but most of the people we know ended up asking about the car, which was pretty nice. She's actually kind of happy about it. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I will talk to you guys soon, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.